Namaskar, I am Preetha Yagnik. I am blessed to be a part of research of Miss Binny. And initially, in the first week only, I had lost my 3 kg of weight. Definitely, if one can be disciplined and one can follow the instructions and meditations guided by Miss Binny, definitely they can achieve any of their goals. Thank you.
My diabetes is under control. All the parameters are normal and I have lost about 2 kg. On my soul part, I feel very peaceful, serene and contented, and I am very happy with whatever I have. These are all the benefits which I have achieved through attending this course, and I strongly recommend everyone to attend. I thank Binny ma'am from the bottom of my heart for bringing about such positive changes in my life. Thank you so much.
Good evening, friends. The research project under which for diabetes I was for study with great Guru Binny Chauhan. As per her advice, in the morning 6 to 7 I used to have regular meditation and yoga and psychoneurobics, followed by diet suggested by her, and that was for 45 days. I would like to share that there was tremendous positivity, clarity of thoughts, brief listening and talking to the point, be with my own self almost all the time, and sugar levels had come under control. Weight loss was 1 kg.
Good evening, friends. I am Devang Raval. I have participated in 45 days research program organized by Binny ma'am for weight loss with psychoneurobics, diet and yoga. And really I feel that I have lost 4 kg within a 45 days without losing energy, and I feel very energetic during this session. Really I thank you very much Binny ma'am for including me in this program. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chitra Kaushik from Lucknow. I am really thankful to Binny ma'am for the weight loss program through psychoneurobics, yoga and meditation. I really followed the guidelines which Binny ma'am had given, and I had lost 5 kg, and now I am really fit and fine. And I am sure that following these guidelines, anyone can lose weight and be healthy, fit and smart throughout his life. So thank you Binny ma'am.
Hi, my name is Asta Gohil and I was part of this 45 days beautiful program initiated by Binny Chauhan. This program was basically to guide us with the help of psychoneurobics, using yoga and diet as tools to help us work on either diabetes, obesity or keep general fitness and healthy lifestyle. We focused mainly on we started with enlightening neurobics, and we also mainly focused on joyful neurobics. How this helped me personally, it brought about an immense amount of discipline and regularity in my life. Practicing it daily, definitely, especially joyful neurobics, having different ups and downs and different situations at work and wherever in daily life. I feel it really definitely, one can observe when you're practicing it daily and not one-off. It brought about a dramatic change in my life.
My name is Purvi Jaiswal. I had joined Binny's 7 days workshop of psychoneurobics, and I have also been a participant for a research of 45 days. And I tell you, I had very magnificent results, and it helped me a lot. Firstly, you can see it decreased my weight also. You can see I have shrinked a lot. And secondly, I'm a patient of epilepsy. I was having a dosage of 2000 mg daily. That dosage also decreased to 1000 mg.